The two major problems with TISA, testicular sperm aspiration. TISA is a simple technique by which doctors can extract sperm from the testis. It's partly because it's so simple that it's often abused, misused and overused. Thus many doctors will do TISA unnecessarily and extract sperm directly from the testis, even in men who have sperm in the semen sample. Not only is this cruel, it also adds needlessly to their expense without improving the pregnancy rate. They use all kinds of pretexts to justify this TISA, for example by claiming that the sperm will be fresher or will have lesser DNA fragmentation. But this is rubbish. The reality is they do this only so they can charge more money, but this is completely uncalled for. TISA should only be used for patients with azoospermia. Secondly, a lot of doctors don't do the TISA properly because they don't know how to do the procedure properly. Many urologists will still do an open biopsy, which is painful and unkind. Gynecologists don't have the necessary expertise and will often make only half-hearted attempts to suck out the sperm from the testis. They end up doing only a fine needle aspiration, and then because they haven't sampled the tissue properly, it's misreported as no sperms found. This can be misleading because you actually need to take multiple samples properly and suck out testicular tissue in order to examine the entire testis. If this is not done properly, patients can be misled and made to use donor sperm, and this can be unfortunate. Want to find an IVF clinic which respects your time and intelligence? WhatsApp us at 9867 441589.